Okay guys, this morning we're gonna cook some breakfast burritos. I mean, there's a million different ways you can do it, but you know, we try different ways all the time. This is one method. So I'm just cleaning off the Blackstone and getting ready to fire up this grill and get breakfast started. Started out with a pile of hash browns, so we like the shredded hash browns every now and again. It's a nice treat from the bigger ones, and fried up on the Blackstone. Does take a little while to get them cooked out. These guys, I actually thawed these guys out so they're not from frozen, and that worked really well as you know, to help speed it up. So go from there. Hit those bad boys with some Slap Ya Mama. It's a Cajun salt mixture. It's a bit spicy. We love it. Once these hash browns were all golden and crispy and just yummylicious, then time to take them off and start the next phase. So this morning I'm going to start with, I think you pronounce it chorizo, but I'm not sure, but chorizo sausages. So I took two and sliced them open so that I can take the meat out of the casing so that we can use them in the burrito. And just going to slam them on the Blackstone and brown those puppies up. Once those bad boys were all cooked up and browned, then I decided to take them off the grill and put them in a plate and cover them just while I prepare everything else. Some of you may have a bigger Blackstone and have the ability to turn off one section of the burners, but I'm using the Blackstone Tailgater here, and it's fairly small, so my options are limited, and I normally have to take things off and either wrap them in tin foil or whatever. Quick steam clean here to clean it up a little bit, and then I'll move on to the next phase. I hit that griddle with some avocado oil and get it nice and greased up, and then I slammed in our veggies. We don't like our veggies overcooked, so we still like them a bit crunchy, so I'm not going to leave them in here too long. I added some garlic to this as well as hit it with some Slap Ya Mama, so it was looking good. Time now to add the scrambled egg mixture and stir that all together and just create this blend of awesomeness. Alright, so I hit that griddle with a little more avocado oil and put our meat back on there to get that heated up and ready to build our burritos. Once the eggs are all cooked up there, and we don't want them too dried out, but slam the meat in there. Get that all mixed together. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. removed the egg mixture from the griddle, gave it another shot of avocado oil, and slammed our tortillas on the griddle to heat those bad boys up. They really only need a minute, and then we flip them and get ready to build the burritos. Once the tortillas were done, I took them off the griddle, slammed the egg mixture back on, added some jalapenos, some mushrooms, some cilantro, splashed it with that good old sriracha sauce as well, and mixed it all together. Then I hit it with some Tex-Mex shredded cheese to top it off. That just looks amazing. You could eat it just like that. It would be an amazing breakfast. Time to start filling the burritos. As usual, I always overfill them, and my burrito folding skills are not that great, but boy, I'll tell you, this is going to be amazing. Once these guys were rolled, I slammed them back on the griddle, give them a few minutes to seal them up, and finish off the burritos. All right, Mama, try your breakfast burrito. Look at all that goodness in there.
Look at this. It's so freaking good. This is going to be our camping breakfast here on out. That's so good.
Still got some hash browns to deliver up, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.